If you want to remove SIM card from Nothing Phone 4a, first of all we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray in here. There is also the SIM tray hole in this place, and you want to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box, for example, and you should be able to put it into that SIM tray hole in here. Once you do, then you want to apply a bit of pressure and push it into the phone, at least a little bit, until the SIM tray pops out. So once it pops out, just a tiny bit, you want to use your fingernails or fingers to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. So this is how it looks like. We have our SIM tray with both SIM cards. So if you have two SIM cards inserted into the slot, it might be a little bit more difficult to remove one of these cards. So what you can do is you can try to apply just a tiny bit of pressure to try to bend it, and usually this allows you to remove one of these cards. However, you want to be really gentle with that. You don't want to break the SIM tray, of course, and then once it pops out, you should be able to easily remove the SIM card from the SIM card slot, from the SIM tray. And if you have just one SIM card, then it's actually much easier, because on the reverse side we have these holes, and we can use the eject tool and just poke it from that other side through that hole in order to just pop it out and remove it from the SIM tray. Once you remove your SIM card or SIM cards, you just want to put it back, the SIM tray, of course, you want to put it back into the phone, just slide it all the way in and make sure that it does not stick out. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.